Hi, my name is Bhumika and I am the project manager of automated coffee making system. As a team, I feel like this is the coolest role as well as a little bit challenging to manage time and team members at the same time. All members are pretty much supporting to complete the project work on time. I mainly plan schedule for the project, like what we have to do and when we have to finish it. Finally, we finish our project on time with enjoyment and learned lots of things through the experience. Thank you to the GBC to give me this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Devanshu Arora and I'm the mechanical technician for this project. And my main job is to make mechanical assemblies and mechanical components for this project. And the most challenging part for me was to build a whole mechanical dispensing system. And after so much efforts and with the help of our technical support, I came up with a nice dispensing system and successful to make to support my projects well. So, and my whole team members were always with me. So, and at the end, I would like to thank Professor Loreto and GBC College for this experience.
Hello, my name is Amar Sheikh. My role in this project was an electronics technician. My job was to make the required circuitry boards and the PCB boards for the system. The hardest part for me in this project was to make emergency system work and to make our system safe electronically and electrically. Finally, I came up with the customized PCB for the emergency stop system, and all the team members were always supporting in our whole journey. It was a great experience for me to have this title. Special thanks to Professor Loreto and GBC College for giving me this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Safwan Mashik. In this project, my role is electromechanical system coordinator. The major part of this project, I have to work with the electronics and mechanical engineer. The major view I have to decide the components and finalize the mechanical and electrical design. The challenging the challenging part of this project I find out is to select the driver for my stepper motors. First, we select the edge bridge for the for the stepper motor, but it's not work. So I have to come for the best solution. So we start using the easy stepper driver, and it's gonna work. Everything's work fine. And I have to help the electronics engineer with the PCB layouts, and that's it. And everything's all fine. And both the electronics and mechanical engineer helped me a lot to complete this job position. So thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Brijesh, and as we did automated coffee machine project, my role is a software technician, and in my coding I use almost 14 to 16 subroutines and some functions like which are going sequentially. The biggest challenge in my coding is to use the capacitive touch display as HMI, and for that like I don't know how to integrate in our Arduino, but after lots of success and college support we got the success and we integrate entire system in HMI display. Thank you.